Okay, this website is AnswerThePublic. You get 3 searches a day. You just have to sign up for free with your email, and you're able to put the term in, the country, the language, and then it's able to give you ideas of what people are searching for. So straight away I can see the search volume in the States, and I can see cost per click. So this search volume for me might suggest that 390 searches per month in the US is quite low. But if I was doing a newsletter, then this might just be one of the things I cover within that newsletter. So it might be a trend that I talk about, or I might be able to establish that actually this is something that's going to be quite big. And so I could talk about this and all the different ways of doing it. Cost per click at the moment, it says $6.43, which is good for me because it means that Google ads are expensive. If I can provide an ROI where the click-through rate on my newsletter is less than this, then I'm a good option for sponsors. Sponsors are going to want to work with me. So I like to see this number as high as possible, as long as it's a good opportunity for me. And then we can go down here and we can see this image, and straight away we can see it's got this color coding here, how often the terms are searched, and I can go through, and these are questions that people are asking, and straight away these are questions that I can answer within my newsletter and provide information. These could be questions that I answer every newsletter, so sort of updates, or questions I put into Google in order to be able to find the information. And again, I can use AI in order to help me write this content. So straight away, I've got all of these questions. And then if I go down here, I've got even more. And I can just take all of this information. You can see there's tons and tons. I can use these questions for. Not only that, but it's telling me here that it's getting some searches on Reddit, which means that I could probably go to Reddit in order to be able to promote my newsletter. So that's really useful information to let me know that I have somewhere that I can target. Not only that, we've got here people in Dubai, so maybe people in the States are interested in investing in Dubai, and apps as well, which helps me thinking about, okay, apps, fractional investing, this might be a good affiliate. So it's not just about content, but it's also about getting ideas of sponsors and how I'm going to monetize. Again, if I scroll down, I can see all of these keywords here. It's now an alphabetical order, and I can just go through and I can pick these out, and I can decide whether I want to write content on these or not. You can download all of this. You can go pro. You only get 3 searches a day, but it's definitely something to take a look at. Now, if I wanted a tool that did all this for me, then the tool that I like to use is this one here. And again, I'll leave a link to it